John, Todd, as you know, our numbers have been down this quarter, so this pitch meeting is really important. You're my top guys.
Boss, the only thing Todd's the top of is a list of losers.
Okay, 6-1
Boys, let's settle down. As I was saying, there's been a drag in fire alarm sales lately, so I need to hear your best stuff. John, what do you got?
Sure thing, boss. So I got a great one for you. You're really gonna like this. I've been thinking kind of like a...
It's not bad. I just don't know if it's going to differentiate us enough.
Yeah, John, that is so stupid. What are you even trying? Okay, boss, check this out.
That's ridiculous. No one would ever buy that, you doo-doo head.
Okay, I know you are, but what am I?
A doo-doo head.
It's not bad. What is the market research saying?
Well, I did a poll of some school teachers, and this one seems to test pretty well with them. It's kind of like a raw weed.
Sounds like you're saying raw weed.
Loser.
Let's settle down. I'm most concerned with how children and the elderly will respond. What do you got for those markets?
Try something more original, butt face. Okay.
Woo! Sheep! Fire, alert, fire, alert,
Fire, John's an idiot. Fire, John's an idiot.
Alert, Todd sucks. Alert, Todd
Fire.
sucks. Alert, Todd sucks.
John's mom.
Alert, Todd sucks. Alert, Todd sucks.
John's mom.
Todd's a poopy face. Todd's a poopy face. Todd's a poopy face.
John's a butt.
You're a poopy butt.
John's a mute butt.
We found it.
Todd's a poopy face. 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 Todd's a poopy face.